In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on HEX future while examining HEX cost estimate for 2023 and past amazingly. Kindly remember that you ought to fundamentally believe this and any essentially other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything in every practical sense is an unpleasant undertaking. Fundamentally, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like HEX, which all things considered is very huge. Presently, how about we head into it, or so they generally thought, before we dig exceptionally profound into the HEX value expectation and answer questions in the event that HEX truly is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will HEX certainly succeed or most certainly fizzle, or for what reason will HEX value rise or drop? We should rapidly basically toss a look at what sort of is HEX and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. HEX value expectation for the in every way that really matters. Next 10 days in an unobtrusive way. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin in a real sense has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will in a real sense be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers sort of are selling dangerous resources and moving into essentially more steady business sectors, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypto fundamentally is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe basically play and subsequently the offer off, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the extended time of some sort or another, or so they thought. This especially is in every practical sense, reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in every practical sense, inverse bearing and really alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and certainly later history, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model especially is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a significant manner. We truly expect whales in every practical sense, other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we truly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical in every practical sense, potential and some sort of other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 05014.58% $0 0574 2023 05 022.35% $0 0587 2023 05 032.59% $0 0586 2023 05 040.91% $0 0596 2023 05 05 plus 2.27% $0 0615 2023 05 06 plus 0.61% $0 0605 2023 05 070.88% $0 0596 2023 05 082.23% $0 0588 2023 05 090.51% $0 0598 2023 05 106.93% 5 cents HEX value expectation 2023. High expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance generally considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 amazingly. At the point when we sort of take the inward crypto issues with most certainly enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down. 2023 isn't looking excessively most certainly great for the bulls, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. We will likely see a ton of fundamentally exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to generally slip basically lower with each minor market quake in a kind of enormous manner. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. Beneath essentially is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May 13.26% $0 0521 2023 Jan 26.85% $0 0440 2023 Joel 23.11% $0 0462 2023 Og 17.49% $0 0496 2023 SEP 8.33% $0 $0.0551-2023 oct plus 7.50% $0.0646 2023 NOV plus 5.17% $0.0632 2023 DEC plus 23.75% $0.0744 2024 Jan plus 23.69% $0.0744 2024 Feb plus 36.09% $0.0818 2024 Blemish plus 37.49% $0.0827 2024 APR plus 53.00% 9 cents HEX value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees HEX coming to 15 cents in 2025. What will HEX fundamentally be truly worth in 5 years in a significant manner? The cost of HEX in 5 years could especially lie around 16 cents. HEX coin value expectation 2030 to 2040 What HEX will be somewhat worth in 2030. Our determining model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2030 in a sort of significant manner. What HEX will sort of be really worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2040. Will HEX for the most part supplant, in a real sense outperform, really overwhelm Bitcoin? No, HEX won't explicitly swap or in every practical sense, overwhelm BTC. Can HEX certainly reach $1 in opposition to prevalent thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to basically reach $1 in the truly short or midterm period, which is very critical. Can HEX for the most part reach $10 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to reach $10 in the fundamentally short or midterm period. Can HEX reach $100 or so they certainly thought? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to generally reach $100 in the genuinely short or midterm period, or so they thought. How pretty high will HEX go, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Our estimating model sees HEX cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, or so they essentially thought. Is HEX especially worth purchasing? We basically don't sort of see a kind of brilliant future for HEX. It is for the most part worth purchasing just as a sort of transient hypothesis with a decent leave methodology, which is genuinely critical. HEX really is certainly not a decent for the most part long-haul hold. Is HEX a wise venture, or so they thought? HEX especially is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Why in an unobtrusive manner? Indeed, it sort of countenances a furious contest from in every practical sense. Other comparative crypto projects, doesn't generally stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area. And the group behind the task essentially is doubtful. Can HEX make you a mogul in a significant manner? No, HEX cannot generally make you a mogul as we don't explicitly see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will HEX be worth? For the kind of momentary future, it could reach 3 cents, which especially is very huge. In the long haul, it will most genuinely possible drop to 0 or somewhere around there, which is very huge. For what reason will HEX explicitly succeed in all things considered, become more expensive, which especially is very